When you face an unfamiliar situation, your brain encounters a lack of information. To protect you, it often fills those blanks with worst-case scenarios, creating an anxiety spiral. But that spiral can be interrupted the moment you provide your mind with a clear picture of what is actually going to happen. We can manage this using a framework inspired by the bee sting technique. If a child is terrified of a bee flying nearby, telling them not to worry rarely helps. Instead, you describe the exact sensation, a sharp pinch that catches you off guard, followed by a hot prickle. Providing those physical details replaces the fear of the unknown with a specific expectation. We can apply that same psychology to our own schedules by using a precise ChatGPT prompt. It's designed to turn a looming, stressful situation into a predictable chronological checklist. To execute this, you only need an active ChatGPT account and one upcoming event that is making you feel hesitant or overwhelmed. Mapping the unknown isn't about ignoring the event. It's about visualization. When you transform a vague fear into a structured task, you give your mind something concrete to focus on, which helps shift your perspective from being under threat to being prepared. Before opening the AI tool, take a moment to isolate the specific variables of your upcoming event that feel the most unpredictable. Anxiety thrives on vagueness. As this diagram shows, the goal is to take that jumble of what-ifs on the left and neutralize them by organizing them into a sequence, like you see on the right. To build that sequence, you'll use this specific prompt. I'm about to insert situation. Can you walk me through what will likely happen step by step, including small details, what it might feel like, and anything I should be prepared for? The phrase step by step is the first critical instruction. It tells the AI to build a chronological timeline instead of offering a general summary. Next, you ask for small details and what it might feel like. This makes the prompt effective. By demanding sensory and emotional cues, you bypass the AI's default factual filter. It moves past encyclopedia definitions and starts describing the actual human experience of the event. Most people use AI as a basic search engine, asking simple questions that yield generic advice. By combining logistical steps with emotional cues, you force the AI to output a reality simulation, a guide telling you not just what to do, but what to expect. Now, look at the bracketed section for the situation. This is where you provide context, feeding the AI the exact data points it needs to be useful. If you use a vague input like going to the doctor, the AI will respond with generalized advice that doesn't actually help you prepare for your specific day. To get a better result, choose a specific category, like this medical appointment, and expand on the details. Instead of a generic doctor's visit, you would type, going to the dermatologist for a full-body skin check for the very first time. This prompt generates a rigid 5-step timeline: arrival, the exam room, the check itself, a potential biopsy, and checkout. Within that timeline, look for physical preparation cues. Under Step 2, it highlights you should wear easily removable clothing and avoid wearing makeup. The specificity of your input directly controls the utility of what you get back. It transforms the AI from a general reference tool into a personalized preparation guide. Once you have the timeline, your next step is extraction. You need to pull the passive advice out of the AI's response and turn it into a list of actions. If the AI suggests you know your history, your action is to write down your family medical history tonight. If it mentions clothing, your action is to pack a specific outfit tomorrow morning. However, you must apply a reality check. Do not treat the AI's response as a flawless prediction of the future. The AI inherently lacks situational awareness. It might describe the medical exam perfectly, but miss real-world procedural steps, like how the specific clinic handles follow-up scheduling. The purpose isn't achieving perfect clairvoyance. It's about narrowing the unknown so you're not reacting to shocks, but following a steady plan. You started with a vague sense of dread. Now you have a personalized, chronological game plan for your day. This framework addresses both the logistical requirements and the emotional expectations of the event, providing the structure needed to move forward. This framework applies to more than just medical appointments. Whether you're navigating the logistics of a kitchen remodel, preparing for a live news appearance, or advocating for your child at a school board meeting, the prompt translates those unknowns into manageable steps. Copy the exact prompt text from the video description. Apply it to the next intimidating first-time event on your calendar and share your results in the comments. We can't eliminate every surprise, but we now have a formula to ensure we don't have to overthink the unknown.